Hello. Meet the Hyundai Exter, the latest and smallest SUV on the block from the good folks at Hyundai. It bridges the gap between the Grand i10 Neos hatchback and Venue sub 4-meter SUV and slots into a segment where the Tata Punch rules with an iron fist. Things look good on paper for the Exter, but the question is whether it packs a punch decisive enough to knock out its one true rival. Welcome to Zig Fast Forward. All you need to know without the nonsense. Hyundai is truly cementing its identity as one of those car makers who don't shy away from experimenting with their designs. Evidently, a few of these styling lines and bits have been drawn and styled to one-up the already beefy-looking Tata Punch. And from that perspective, Hyundai seems to have nailed it. It starts with the sharp upright nose with the split headlight setup. The square projector headlights flank the rectangular grille, while the DRLs above it sport an edge-shaped motif. You get a heavily cladded skid plate on the front bumper, which extends into the squared out wheel arches. The beefiness in profile is further accentuated by the flared fenders, although the standout here has to be the heavily angled windscreen which flows into the flat roofline. The black garnish on the thick C-pillar along with the stylish 15-inch dual-tone alloys also stand out in profile. The rear gets the same boxy treatment as the rest of the car with squarish taillights and edge-shaped signatures on the inside, just like the ones in the DRLs ahead. And just like the front bumper, the rear too gets heavy cladding courtesy of the silver skid plate. As for its cabin, Hyundai has taken the leisurely way out with a carbon copy of the Grand i10 Neos' interior with tweaks only to the theme options on offer. But saving time with the design has allowed them to actively work on integration of segment-first features, which include a sunroof and a front and back dash cam. Here are the rest of its features popping up on your screen right now. If you're already smitten by the creature comforts on offer, wait till you get a load of its safety kit. Standard list of equipment comprise not 2, not 4, but 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, parking sensors and 3-point seat belts with reminders for all passengers. Electronic stability control, hill hold assist and vehicle stability management are optional on the base variants and standard for the rest. Hyundai has kept the options rather simple on this front by offering just a single 1.2-litre naturally aspirated petrol engine that is available with a 5-speed manual or automatic manual transmission. The latter can also be had with paddle shifters behind the wheel, while Hyundai has also offered a CNG kit right from its launch. Hyundai has revealed the full prices of the Exter, which range between Rs 5.99 lakh and Rs 9.99 lakh ex-showroom. The AMT carries a premium of up to Rs 70,000, while the CNG variants have a price tag that's steeper by up to Rs 97,000 over the standard variants. Given the price, the Exter might just be the most loaded offering this side of the Rs 10 lakh mark. So first impression suggests that it has got the looks, the features and a proven and reliable powertrain, providing it with the punch needed for a knockout blow. But it remains to be seen whether it can land one or not. Irrespective of the outcome there, stay tuned for our first drive impressions, which is guaranteed to land soon. See you next time. Ciao.